Hi, it's Stu from StuTech with yet another tech tip of the day. Now, I don't know what I'm going to talk about today. Well, actually, I do because I plan these out, but I'm not going to tell you. So let's see what we got going on today. Hey, everyone. Today's tech tip is keyboard shortcuts for the win. Now, I'm going to talk about Microsoft Windows shortcuts. Macs are very similar to it, except they use the Command key instead of the Control key. So if you want to copy something, it's Control C or Command C. If you want to paste it, it's Control V or Command V. These shortcuts can make your life super simple and save time. They work in Word, Excel, and even online. So give them a try. You'll feel like a computer whiz in no time. And there you have it, another StuTech tech tip of the day. Now, I would hope that you pass these on, but always remember, if you have a tech problem, call us, not your kids.